Okay. Sup gang, hope you're all doing well. I'm doing just fine myself. I haven't checked on you in a bit, so I thought I might just drop a bomb and see what the atmosphere is like out there. See how many ravenous radioactive corpses are floating around, crawling around. So I'm going to do a cool tutorial. The fuck is that thing wrapped round there? Honest to God. Jesus fucking Christ. Finger cam, okay? You're on my finger. So, as you can see here, we've got ourselves a headphone that's not playing the game. We're gonna try and repair that microphone, try and get it fixed. So, the quality Poundland tool set out. Now, which one do I want? Let's check it. Let's look at the heads on those. They look mean. They're looking mean, guys. Where the fuck is the screwdriver gone now? I just had it here. Oh. We're ready to go to battle. So, first of all, you flip over your headphones. Really cool. Bastard. Oh fuck. Oh, that looks alright. Well, let's take a sip from the fountain of youth. I bought this very recently. I've only had it 5 years, so that seems to be in order. That seems to be okay. I mean, it didn't look any worse than it was when I last saw it, but how the fuck am I going to get that thing off? Let's see where that's going. Oh, fucking hell. I don't get this fucking thing. What the hell was that? I don't get this fucking stupid. I don't think that seems to be doing the trick. I'm just going to try and prise the fucking thing off. I don't care about this thing. Oh fuck. That's not a good sign. Ah, I've lost one of my two of my screws. Oh fucking hell. I can't believe it. I just fucking can't believe it. What the fuck do I do next? These are like tiny little wires. It's a load of wires soldered onto a circuit board, and you got a switch there, a capacitor, you got a little volume adjuster, and that's about it. What to do with you? What to do with you? And that's the end of that headset. There we are. Condemned to the fucking floor where it can rot. That's my tutorial. Thanks for watching. Sorry?